EveryDollar offers both free and premium versions to assist with budgeting. Here's a comparison to help determine which suits your needs. EveryDollar free is for people who just want the basics. You manually type in your expenses and income. You can make your own budget categories. You can track saving goals. It reminds you when bills are due. And yes, there's customer support. It works great if you're okay with doing the most things yourself, like updating it every time you spend money. EveryDollar Premium steps it up. It connects your bank so your transactions show up automatically. It helps you plan your budget based on when you get your paycheck. You can see your full financial picture, net worth, big goals, and more. It gives you graphs, reports, and even reminders. And you can join coaching sessions with experts. Basically, it's more hands off and gives you more guidance, but it costs $17.99 per month or $79.99 per year. Much cheaper yearly. So, which is one is better? If you're new to budgeting or don't want to spend, go with free. If you want automation, insights, and less hassle, premium is worth trying. Plus, there's a free 14-day trial.